In today's video, I will talk about theme overview charts. Surveys are often divided into themes that can consist of one or more questions. Usually, metrics questions will be used to cover a theme. Theme overview charts allow you to compare several questions in one single chart. To add theme overview charts, you have to go to your report, click on the Add Report element icon, and select Theme Overview. Theme overview charts are available for rating scale, metrics rating scale, net promoter score, and recommendation score question types. Now, you need to select variables you would like to include in the chart and click Add. Your chart will be created and added to the bottom of your report. Now, in the chart, you can see averages of all of the questions that fall within each theme. Additionally, you can give a chart a relevant title. And that's it for today. Now you know how you can add theme overview charts to your report.